Namaskaram, Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 36th sloka. In this sloka, Arjuna asked question to Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna explained about how one should do his own swadharma according to his own natural traits. Based on that, Arjuna is asking question. Why is a person impelled to commit sinful acts even unwillingly, as if by force? So in this sloka, Arjuna addressing Krishna as who descendant of Vrishni. Krishna belongs to the Vamsa of Vrishni. So he is addressing him. So Lord Krishna has already mentioned in the previous sloka that both attachment and aversion are dangerous. No one should come under the influence of attachment and aversion, because that take you away from your regular path. So Arjuna is asking now, it is divine, but it is very difficult to implement. And he asked that question on behalf of all human beings, because we all have that question in our mind. So Arjuna asks, what force prevents us from reaching higher ideal? What makes one succumb to attachment and aversion? This we have seen in the previous sloka, attachment and aversion. When you have likes, that lead to attachment. When you have dislikes, that leads to aversion. Here, we all have a conscience that makes us feel remorseful. We feel bad while committing a sin. So why do we have that? We make a mistake, but why our conscience feeling bad about it? Because our Atma is a fragment of Paramatma. Paramatma is divine. Atma, which is created by Paramatma, and Atma in which Paramatma lives, is also divine. That is why we feel for making sinful actions. But still we do it. So that is a doubt raised by Arjuna. So he says, the goodness that is the nature of soul gives rise to the voice of conscience. So gunas play very important role here. When you have rajas, you will not feel. Even you get that question, you will not try to get answer. And tamas, you will not have this question at all. So the conscience makes us feel remorseful when we do sin. That is because of the divinity. God lives here. So when we do sinful acts like stealing or robbing, whatever it is, we can't say that I did it out of my innocence. I didn't know what I did. Because we know very well what action we are doing, but still we are doing. So that is what Arjuna is asking. What makes us do that? What is that force? So he wants to know what force is making us to do sinful act. So he is asking that question to Bhagavan. So we have this question. Sometimes we do mistakes and we feel, oh, you should not have done this. I should not have hurt that person. I should not have taken their belongings. So you feel that. But you did. Despite that feeling, whether we get it before or after, we still do it. We are very strong in doing that, something against it. So that is a question raised by Arjuna here.